Hello dear student, welcome to DEDU Labs. Today in this video, I will discuss you MCQ practice series of controller part number 5. If you not subscribe my channel DEDU Labs, I request you please subscribe it. I also request you please like and share it. For more information, you also visit our website www.dedulabs.in. Question number 1. The blank controller have output equation P is equal to Kp into Ep plus P0. Option A on off, option B 3 position, option C proportional, option D proportional integral. The output is option number C, that is a proportional. See, in this equation, P indicate proportional controller output, Kp indicate proportional gain, Ep indicate error, and P0 is the initial controller output when error is 0. Now see, in this case, the P and Ep both are directly related to each other, that is between them there is a proportionality. And when you remove this proportionality, there is a constant is coming in the picture, and that constant is a Kp, that is a proportionality gain. So here the output is a proportional. Question number 2. The proportional band is defined as option A 100 upon Ki, option B Kp upon 100, option C 100 upon Kp, option D Ki upon 100. The answer is option number C, that is 100 upon Kp. Question number 3. Blank is permanent residual error in the operating of the control variable when load changes are occur. Option A dead time, option B offset, option C lag, option D none of these. The answer is option number B, that is a offset. See, offset is nothing but it is a permanent residual error at the operating point of the control variable. Controlling variable, that means what? If you are controlling the room temperature, so your temperature is a control variable. If you are controlling the level of the tank, then your level height is considered as a control variable. Question number 4. In proportional controller, the proportional gain Kp value is increased then oscillation blank. Option A increase, option B decrease, option C no changes, option D none of these. The answer is option number A, that is increase. See, in proportional controller, when you increase the Kp value, the oscillation of the system are increased. But here the another important point the offset will be reduced. But when you design any particular control system, you always consider that your system provide less oscillation as well as less offset. So depending on requirement, you select the controller. Question number 5. In proportional controller, the proportional gain Kp value is increase then offset blank. Option A increase, option B decrease, option C no changes, option D none of these. The answer is option number B, that is a decrease. Question number 6. The following are the characteristics of the proportional controller. Option A, 1 to 1 correspondence. Option B, if error is 0, output is constant and equal to P0. Option C, there is a band of the errors about 0 magnitude. PB that is a proportional band within which the output is not saturated at 0% or 100%. And option D, all of this. The answer is option number D, that is all of this. Question number 7. In proportional controller, the Kp value is increased when the proportional band is blank. Option A is a constant, that is a fixed. Option B, increase, that is wider. Option C, decrease, that is narrow. Option D, none of these. The answer is option number C, that is a decrease, that is a narrow. See, proportional band is equal to 100 upon Kp. So if you increase the proportional band, the Kp value is decreased. If you decrease the proportional band, the Kp value is increased. Both are the inversely proportional to each other. Question number 8. High value of the proportional band correspond to blank sensitive controller setting. Option A, high. Option B, less. Option C, moderate. Option D, none of these. The answer is less. Question number 9. The proportional controller is used for the temperature control system with Kp is equal to 1 and Kp is equal to 50. In case of the 50, Kp is equal to 50, the offset and oscillation of the system are blank and blank respectively. Option A, less and less. Option B, high and high. Option C, less and high. Option D, high and less. Answer is option number C, that is less and high. Offset is less and oscillation are high. See, in first case Kp is equal to 1. In second case Kp is equal to 50. So when you increase the Kp value, oscillation be very higher and the offset become less. Question number 10. Blank controller is widely used for the process where large load changes are unlikely. Option A, proportional P. Option B, multi-position. Option C, PI. Option D, PID. The answer is option number A, that is a P, that is a proportional. Hope you receive very good information from this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching.